tortoise in the desert of southern Africa is always on the lookout for a juicy mouthful, but it walks right over as good a one as it might find all day and feeds instead on a few shriveled leaves. The pebble plant mimics its surroundings so accurately that it even varies its colour to match that of the gravel around it. Few animals even notice it. The passion flower uses mimicry to defend itself in perhaps the most extraordinary way of all. It's much pestered by heliconius butterflies. This is because its leaves are the favourite food of heliconius caterpillars, so the female butterflies always lay their eggs on the plants in order that their youngsters, when they hatch, will find their favourite food immediately in front of them. The egg is a little bright yellow globe. There's another one. The caterpillars are particularly voracious. They will tackle leaves, stems, shoots and buds, pretty well every part of the passion flower. Because her young need so much food, a female heliconius won't lay on a passion flower if there are eggs already there, and before she starts, she makes a careful survey. This female has decided not to lay here. Hardly surprising, the leaves are already covered with eggs, except that they are not eggs. These yellow spots are imitations, fakes, produced by the plant as a deterrent. Another species of passion flower produces even more convincing bogus eggs on the stalks of the leaves, surely one of the subtlest of strategies based on mimicry.